This doesn't look like Windows 11, but it actually is. I've taken a completely normal Windows 11 desktop and transformed it into a Mac-inspired setup that looks surprisingly close to macOS 27. We've got the glass-style interface, Mac-style icons, a redesigned taskbar, transparent file explorer, smooth window animations, and a lot of those little details that make Windows feel completely different. And I did all of this without installing macOS, using a virtual machine, or throwing a bunch of complicated tools at it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built this setup step by step using free tools. Let's turn Windows into a Mac. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm currently running Windows 11. And in just a little while, we're going to give it an amazing macOS-inspired look. But before we make any changes, I would recommend creating a system restore point first. This way, if anything goes wrong or you simply don't like the changes, you can easily restore your system to its previous state. I've already created my restore point, so we're ready to go. Now, let's get started. First, let's download our main tool. Open your browser and type in Windhawk. Click on the Windhawk website. This is the Windhawk homepage. Windhawk basically provides a large collection of mods that allow you to customize different parts of Windows in many different ways. And as we start using it, you'll see exactly what I mean. Click on Download and download Windhawk. Then simply install it. The installation is very straightforward, so you can easily follow the steps on your screen. And there we go, Windhawk is now installed. Now, the next thing you need to do is head over to this website. And don't worry, I'll provide all the links in the description. From here, we're going to download the macOS 27 Golden Gate theme. Scroll down until you see the download section. Click on it to download the theme. Once the download is complete, go to the downloaded folder. It's a zip file, so extract it first. Open the macOS 27 theme folder. You'll see one file and one folder inside. Copy both of them. Now go to your C drive, open the Windows folder, then open Resources, and finally open the Themes folder. Paste the files we just copied into this folder. You won't see any changes yet, and that's completely fine. We're going to set everything up step by step. Now, let's clean up the taskbar a little bit. Right-click on the taskbar and open Taskbar Settings. Here, turn off Task View, Widgets, and Resume. And for Search, set it to Hide. Now take a look. The taskbar already looks a little cleaner. Now, let's launch Windhawk. Click on Explore. As you can see, there are tons of different mods available here. In the search box, type UX Theme Hook. Click on Details and then click Install. You can safely ignore this warning. There's nothing to worry about here. And that's it. The mod has been installed. Now, right-click on the desktop and open Personalization Settings. Click on Themes. And look at this. The macOS 27 Golden theme that we copied into the Themes folder earlier is now showing up here. Double-click on it to apply the theme. And there we go. The theme has been applied. File Explorer is already starting to look a little more like macOS, especially with those green, yellow, and red window buttons. But since I'm using a dark mode setup, I'm not really a fan of this Golden Gate wallpaper. So there's another website where you can download 4K macOS wallpapers. From here, we'll download the dark mode wallpaper for the same theme. Set it as your desktop background. Now that looks much better, doesn't it? Alright, let's continue with the customization and style our taskbar. In Windhawk, search for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. You'll probably see it near the top of the list, so you shouldn't have to search for it for too long. You'll also see different theme previews here along with their names. Take a look and choose whichever style you think matches your theme best. For now, let's install this one. Then go into Settings. Under the Themes drop-down menu, select OS26 Liquid Glass Clear Mac Dock. Of course, you can experiment with the other styles as well and choose whichever one you prefer. Once you're happy with it, click Save Settings. And look at that! Our taskbar now has that beautiful glassy look. It already looks pretty good, but we can take it one step further and add a macOS-style scroll animation to it. For that, go back to Windhawk and search for Taskbar Dock Animation. Install this one as well. The creator recommends using some custom code to make the animation smoother. I already have the code saved in my notepad, and if you want, I can share all the resources with you in a bundle. Just let me know in the comments if you need them. Copy the code, go to the Advanced section in Windhawk, and under the Mod settings, replace the existing code with the one we just copied. Then click Save. And there's our taskbar scroll animation. That looks pretty cool, right? Now, let's take it one step further and add an app closing animation that looks like a genie coming out of a lamp. Go back to Windhawk and search for Genie. You'll see two animation mods in this category. We're going to use macOS Minimize Animation. Install it as usual. Now, let's open File Explorer. There's the animation. But let's see if we can make it look even better by changing its style. Go back to Settings and scroll down. Under Animation Styles, select Classic Genie Original. This is the one I personally like, but if you prefer the previous style, you can absolutely keep that one as well. You can also play around with the animation duration and adjust it according to your preference. And this is how the animation looks now. Now, let's style our Start menu. Search for Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Install it. Under Themes, select Liquid Glass for the redesigned Start menu. Then click Save Settings. And here it is. Doesn't that look amazing? Now, let's move on to the Notification Center. Search for Windows 11 Notification Center Styler and install it. Under Themes, select Translucent Shell and then save the settings. And there we go. The notification center is now transparent and fits much better with our overall macOS style look. Almost everything is done, but our file explorer still doesn't quite look like macOS. So let's style the file explorer and take it to the next level. In Windhawk, search for Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Install it. Then go into Settings and under Themes, select OS26 Liquid Glass Compact. Save the settings. And look at that! This style matches our taskbar perfectly. But right now, only the top section of File Explorer has changed. We want the entire window to have that glassy look. So in the same settings under Translucent Background Effect, select Mica Alt. And under Translucent Background Effect region, select Entire Window. Save the settings. But as you can see, we still don't have that transparent look yet. So let's install one more mod. Search for Translucent Windows and install it. Then save the settings. And now look at that! We finally have the translucent effect across the entire File Explorer. But there's still one thing missing, and that's why the Explorer still feels a little incomplete. The files and folder icons are still using the standard Windows 11 icons. If we could make those look like macOS icons as well, this would look so much better. So let's see what we can do. In Windhawk, search for Resource Redirect. Install it. In the Settings section under Icon Theme, select macOS Dark Mode by Nivu. Just below that, turn on Disable Thumbnails. Save the settings. If this pop-up appears, simply click Yes. File Explorer will restart and the changes will be applied. And there we go! Doesn't this look a lot more like the macOS Finder now? And if you also want to style the Settings app, there's one more thing we can do. Search for Windows 11 Settings Styler. Install it. Now once again, we need to add some custom code. So we'll go back to the same Link Vegas website. On the side, click on Windhawk Styles. Scroll down until you find this code section. Copy the code. Then go back to Windhawk and open the Advanced section. Under the mod settings, replace the existing code with the code we just copied. And click Save. And with that, our Windows 11 interface now looks a lot more like macOS. Now, if you want me to show you how I added this top bar and these widgets as well, let me know in the comments. I can show you how to do that in my next video, along with another brand new theme and even more customization. This video has already become quite long and my channel is still new. So honestly, I'm not sure how much interest you guys will have in this type of content. But if this video gets a good response, I'll definitely try to make more videos like this, with even more customization and much more detail. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video. Please support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. Your support really helps me grow the channel and create more content like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.